students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve NCERT Class 10 Mathematics Numericals. So we'll start with exercise 1.1. The first question is, express the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. So they've given 5 sub-questions. So we'll start with the first subdivision. Number is 140. So we need to express 140 as a product of its prime numbers. Since it is an even number, I'm starting with the smallest prime number 2. So 140 by 2 is 70. 70 is still even, so I'm continuing to use 2. So that fetches a 35. Divide 35 by 5, I get to have 7. 7 is another prime number, so divide by 7. So 140 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Or in a short form, it is 2 squared into 5 into 7. Now let's try the next number, 156. So 156 is also an even number. So let's start by 2. So 2 divides 156, we get 78. Another even number, so divide by 2, you get 39. 39 is divisible by 3, 13 times. 13 is a prime number, so divide again by 13. So 156 can be written as 2 squared into 3 into 13. Now let's take the third number, 3825. So 3825, it ends in 5, so I'm going to start with division with 5. When divided by 5 gives 765. Divide again by 5, you get 153. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is divisible by 3. So try 3 again. This fetches a 51. 51 is again divisible by 3. It gives you 17. Now 17 is a prime number. So divide by 17 again to get 1. So 3825 can be written as 5 squared into 3 squared into 17. Now let's take the next number, 5005. Since this number ends in 5 again, I'm going to divide 5005 by 5, which fetches a 1001. Now this number will be divisible by 7. So 7 when divides 1001, it gives you 143. Now 143 is divisible by 11. So this is going to be 13 times. 13 is a prime number. So this is divided again by 13. So 5005 can be expressed as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Now let's try the last number, 7429. 7429, I'm going to start dividing by 17 because this is the number that gets going divided first. So when 7429 is divided by 17, you get 437. 437, when you divide by 19, you get to have 23. Now 23 is again a prime number, so divide by 23, you get 1. So 7429 can be expressed as 17 into 19 into 23. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in exercise 1.1. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.